CNBC-TV18 exclusive now. We learn from sources that KEC International is the likely frontrunner to acquire promoter stake in ITD Cementation. Yash is joining in with all the details. Yash, what are you picking up?
Well, Sonal, it was just last month when the promoter entity at ITD Cementation, that is Italian Thai development company, had informed the exchanges that the promoter's intention is to divest their investments in the company. What I'm given to understand is that the process to do that started right after that. There were certain players which, of course, the promoter entity and the entity itself, ITD Cementation, was in talks with, and sources have told CNBC-TV18 that the company started its conversations with a single player here, and that is KEC International. Of course, as I said, the input is also there that there were a couple of other players. One was domestic. There was a foreign player as well in the race to acquire this particular stake. But at this point of time, the input that we have is that the company's started its conversations with one player, that is KEC International. The promoter, that is Italian Thai development company, owns about 46.64% stake in ITD Cementation. As far as that particular valuation for this particular transaction is concerned, that is expected to happen at the current levels itself, that is at a market cap of about 9,000 crore rupees, which means that the 46% or 47% stake which the promoter holds and is willing to sell, the value for that stake, which KEC, if the deal itself fructifies, KEC will have to pay about 4,000 to 4,500 crore rupees for that promoter stake acquisition. As far as order book is concerned, KEC International holds an order book at the end of FY24 at about 37,000 crore rupees. ITD Cementation has an order book of about 20,000 crore rupees at the end of FY24. And since the conversations between the two players have started, what we've been given to understand from our sources is that there is a possibility that the deal could be announced at the end of September or the start of October itself. We've written to both companies on this particular query. KEC has said that they do not comment on market rumors, and the company continuously evaluates various inorganic and organic growth opportunities. They will make the necessary disclosures whenever the right time comes, and ITD Cementation has declined to comment on this query.
Okay, all right, but the stock is definitely very active on the back of this news. Thanks, Yash, for getting us that update. ITD Cementation, as you can see, that stock is up around 3%. We'll take a short break, but up next, we'll talk to the first company on the show, Saurabh Agarwal, the Executive Director of Action Construction Equipment, or ACE, to discuss the quarter gone by. Stay tuned.